If you want to make your Samsung Galaxy A series devices camera better, then this video is for you. First, if you enter on your camera here, then from here you will find the gear icon at the top left corner. Simply tap on it, and from here you can follow the settings. This will make your camera better than before. Make sure you have turned off this HEIF picture. If you have turned on, then immediately turn off this option. It will just capture some high efficiency image, but it will decrease the file size, the photo size, so you can get the photo or video in less quality. So from here you can go with another one is you can turn off this high efficiency video mode. You can turn it off to get high video quality. Now make sure that you have turned on this auto HDR to make your photos colorful. It will create your picture so much colorful, bright when you capture it, and it will adjust it according to the surface or the around environment. Grid line, if you tap on grid line, if you turn on grid line, then it will help you to align your camera perfectly to the object, and then you can just turn off this watermark if you don't want to show your device name and date and time, so you can turn it off. So that's pretty settings that you can follow to make your camera better of your Samsung Galaxy A series devices. That's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.